Imagine your business running on autopilot for less than $100 a month. New leads get tagged, scored, and followed up. Invoices go out automatically. Data syncs across your tools while you sleep. The question is not, can I automate? The question is, should I use Zapier, Make, n8n, or Pipedream, and in what combination so I don't overspend or overcomplicate everything? When I say Autopilot Stack, I'm talking about a small, focused toolkit of automation platforms that handle most of your repetitive work and stay under, roughly, $99 per month. In this video, we're building the $99 Autopilot Stack at breaking down when to use which tool. Instead of one giant bloated subscription, each tool gets a clear job, so you get the most automation per dollar. To choose the right stack, we'll compare Zapier, Make, and n8n and Pipedream on 6 things: ease of use, power and flexibility, AI and integrations, pricing under $99, scale and reliability, and data control and compliance. Let's start with the one most people know. Zapier is the classic automation platform most people start with. It integrates with thousands of apps and lets you create simple, linear workflows very quickly. It's perfect for straightforward, when this happens, do that scenarios, and for non-technical teams that just want quick wins. Where Zapier starts to hurt is when your workflows become complex or very high volume. Because pricing is task-based, multi-step workflows can get expensive fast. It's amazing for simple, everyday automations, but not ideal as your only tool when you need deep branching logic or strict data control. Make, formerly Integromat, is the visual builder in this lineup. Instead of a list of steps, you get a canvas where you drag and drop modules, branch, loop, and transform data. It's excellent for complex multi-step workflows and often more cost-effective than Zapier for heavy scenarios. Make is best when you have a power user who enjoys designing systems and you want powerful automation while staying mostly no-code. The trade-off is a steeper learning curve and the need to understand credits and quotas so your costs stay predictable. n8n is the open-source player. You can run it self-hosted or use the cloud version. It's highly flexible and lets you combine drag-and-drop nodes with JavaScript, HTTP requests, and custom integrations. Self-hosting gives you full control over data and infrastructure. 10.430 to 502. n8n is perfect if you or your team are technical and you care about compliance, on-prem setups, or deep customization. The downside is the extra complexity and hidden infrastructure costs if you self-host. It's usually your advanced engine, not your first beginner tool. Pipedream is a developer-first automation and integration platform. It mixes no-code and low-code, but leans heavily into JavaScript and APIs. It's fantastic for API-heavy workflows and AI-powered flows where you want a lot of custom logic. Pipedream is ideal for technical founders and dev teams. It's not the best starting point for a non-technical operator who just wants simple rules. But it's extremely powerful if you're comfortable with code. So when should you use which tool? Use Zapier for simple, reliable automations and quick wins. Use Make for visual, complex workflows. Use n8n when you have technical talent and need self-hosting or deep customization. Use Pipedream when you want developer-grade automation and API orchestration. For a no-code founder stack under roughly $99, you can combine Zapier for simple daily zaps, Make for heavy visual workflows, and Pipedream or n8n on a free tier for rare technical cases. Zapier handles the everyday tasks, Make handles the complex flows, and the dev tool is your escape hatch. For a technical founder or dev team, flick the priorities. Make Pipedream your main engine for API and AI workflows. Run n8n self-hosted for internal or compliance-sensitive flows, and keep a small Zapier or Make plan for non-technical teammates. 160744:817. For agencies, use Make as your central multi-client engine. Use n8n or Pipedream for highly customized or self-hosted client work, and keep most Zapier usage on client-owned accounts so they can maintain simple automations themselves. 17.8.16.08.08.0. 7. To implement, map your processes, tag steps as simple or complex, start with one key journey, build and test in small loops, and add monitoring and alerts so failures never go unnoticed. Treat your automation stack like a product, not a one-off hack. So that's the $99 Autopilot Stack. Zapier for quick wins, Make for complex visual workflows, and n8n and Pipedream for developer-grade and compliance-grade automation. If you want more of your business running on Autopilot, subscribe to AI Business Autopilot, like this video, and comment which tool you're using today. I'll see you in the next one.